Scientists are baffled. Something just defied the laws of physics in a way even Oumuamua could never. A mysterious object, known only as 3I/Atlas, is moving through our solar system with an acceleration and trajectory that should be impossible. But what's even more shocking, some experts are now suggesting this could change everything we know about the universe. Stay tuned, because what happens next will completely challenge your understanding of reality. You might think you understand the universe, but 3I/Atlas is about to prove that assumption wrong. This mysterious interstellar visitor is unlike anything astronomers have ever seen. Unlike Oumuamua, which already puzzled scientists, 3I/Atlas is moving in ways that defy known physics, accelerating without any apparent propulsion and behaving like nothing in our textbooks. In this video, we are going to break down everything you need to know about this cosmic anomaly. From the surprising data collected by top observatories to theories that could rewrite our understanding of space travel and interstellar objects, you will get the full story. You won't believe what happened next, and some of the explanations being considered are almost too strange to imagine. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you will see 3I/Atlas in a way no one else is talking about, and it might make you question what you thought you knew about the universe. It all began quietly, in late 2023, when astronomers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, known as ATLAS, noticed something unusual streaking across the sky. Initially, it looked like another passing asteroid or comet, nothing extraordinary. But as data poured in, something about its trajectory caught scientists off guard. Unlike ordinary objects, 3I/Atlas was moving faster than expected, and its path did not conform to the gravitational pulls of our sun or planets. The scientific community buzzed with curiosity. How could an object accelerate in deep space without any visible propulsion or evidence of outgassing like a comet? Observatories worldwide, from Hawaii to Chile, turned their telescopes toward this enigmatic traveler. Every new observation seemed to raise more questions than answers. What made it even more intriguing was its speed. 3I/Atlas was moving faster than any previously recorded interstellar object. For context, Oumuamua, which captured global attention in 2017, already baffled astronomers with its unusual shape and trajectory. Yet 3I/Atlas is doing something even more extreme. Its acceleration suggests forces at play that we do not yet understand, hinting at phenomena that could challenge the very laws of physics as we know them. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. Early spectral analysis indicated that it was not like typical asteroids or comets. Its composition seemed unusual, with reflective properties that did not match ordinary rock or ice. Some scientists began to speculate, could this be a man-made object from another civilization, or is it a natural object behaving in ways previously thought impossible? As we continue, the deeper mysteries of 3I/Atlas will emerge, revealing why this object is more than just a passing curiosity. But before we get to the mind-blowing theories, we need to understand exactly what makes its movement so unprecedented. To understand why 3I/Atlas has scientists puzzled, we need to look at its motion through space. Unlike ordinary comets or asteroids, which follow predictable paths determined by the gravitational forces of the sun and planets, 3I/Atlas seems to have a mind of its own. Its acceleration is not constant and does not align with the effects of solar radiation or any known natural forces. Normally, when an object passes through our solar system, gravity tugs at it, slowing it down or altering its course. Comets, for instance, often develop tails because of outgassing. Ice and dust vaporize as they approach the sun, creating a small propulsion effect. But scientists carefully observed 3I/Atlas, and there was no evidence of outgassing or other conventional propulsion. It simply accelerated on a trajectory that seemed impossible. Some researchers have compared this behavior to Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object detected in 2017. That object had already challenged our understanding with its cigar-like shape and mysterious acceleration, sparking debates about natural versus artificial origins. Yet 3I/Atlas goes a step further. Its acceleration is more extreme, its path more erratic, and the data suggest a phenomenon that cannot be explained by current physics models alone. Astronomers are using advanced simulations to try to replicate its trajectory. These simulations include every known variable, gravitational interactions, solar radiation, and even possible magnetic effects, but the object continues to defy every model. One leading physicist remarked that, if 3I/Atlas were in a laboratory, it would be considered a breakthrough in physics, emphasizing just how extraordinary this object is. And here's a detail that makes the mystery even more compelling: the orientation and spin of 3I/Atlas. Unlike most celestial bodies, which rotate along predictable axes, this object exhibits a wobble that seems purposeful, almost like it is maneuvering. Some theories suggest that it might be responding to forces we cannot yet measure, or that it could be an entirely new class of interstellar objects we've never encountered before. But perhaps the most shocking aspect is what this could mean for our understanding of space travel. If natural objects can accelerate and maneuver in ways previously thought impossible, it raises questions about energy sources and forces beyond our current grasp. Could this hint at new physics waiting to be discovered? Or, as some speculative minds suggest, could it even hint at technologies from civilizations far beyond our solar system? The deeper you look, the stranger it becomes. And just when you think the mystery has a limit, new observations show behaviors that continue to defy expectations. But before we dive into the even more extraordinary theories, we need to explore the surprising scientific responses to this phenomenon, and why 3I/Atlas is being taken seriously by some of the most respected minds in astrophysics. The discovery of 3I/Atlas has sent shockwaves through the astrophysics community. Leading scientists from around the world have pored over the data, trying to make sense of what appears to be a phenomenon beyond conventional physics. Unlike speculative headlines, the researchers are cautious. They are not claiming alien technology or breaking laws arbitrarily. Instead, they are analyzing anomalies that push the boundaries of current scientific understanding. One prevailing theory is that 3I/Atlas represents a previously unknown type of natural interstellar object. Just as Oumuamua challenged our understanding in 2017, this object could belong to a new category of cosmic bodies capable of unconventional acceleration. Some scientists suggest that unusual interactions with interstellar gases or magnetic fields could provide a natural explanation. Yet, after careful modeling, these forces alone appear insufficient to explain the observed trajectory and acceleration, leaving more questions than answers. Another fascinating perspective comes from those exploring advanced physics. Could there be forces or mechanisms in play that our current understanding has yet to detect? Some propose that 3I/Atlas could carry internal energy, or structures enabling propulsion unknown to us. These ideas are not casual speculation, they are grounded in rigorous observations that contradict expected patterns. Even within conservative circles, researchers admit this object is unprecedented and requires more detailed study. Logic and fact also guide us in eliminating less plausible explanations. The object shows no evidence of conventional propulsion such as rockets, gas emissions, or artificial thrust. Its reflective properties do not match typical spacecraft materials or debris, and it is moving too fast to have originated from within our solar system. These observations confirm one crucial fact: 3I/Atlas is truly interstellar. It is not a human artifact, and it is not behaving like anything we have seen in our solar system before. It is also important to highlight the methodology. Multiple observatories have independently verified the trajectory and behavior of 3I/Atlas. This is not a measurement error or optical illusion. The object has been tracked over months, with precise calculations confirming its acceleration cannot be explained by conventional gravitational or solar forces alone. This strengthens the argument that we are witnessing a real physical phenomenon, not a misinterpretation. So, what does all this mean? On a scientific level, 3I/Atlas is a wake-up call. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is still incomplete. Every discovery like this challenges assumptions and pushes the boundaries of physics, forcing researchers to rethink theories about interstellar travel, object composition, and cosmic forces. From a logical perspective, it is a rare opportunity to observe nature operating at the edge of known physics, and every new data point could bring us closer to unlocking secrets of the universe that have remained hidden for millennia. While the mystery of 3I/Atlas is far from solved, the evidence and observations are real, factual, and remarkable. We may not yet know all the answers, but the hunt for understanding is ongoing, and it is exactly these anomalies that drive science forward. In essence, 3I/Atlas is not just an object, it is a puzzle, a challenge, and a gateway to new discoveries that could redefine how we see the cosmos.